This month, for the first time ever, it's European Cyber Security Month, and it is my pleasure to launch it today. Every day, people everywhere rely on the internet for ever more services, from shopping or socializing to banking, healthcare or education. People have to know that the systems underpinning these transactions are safe and secure. Building that confidence is the job of all of us. We need to share the responsibility and we need to work together. The EU strategy for cybersecurity, due out in the coming months, will set out just how important this is, with concrete proposals to improve digital security. These problems need common solutions because cyber attackers don't respect national borders. So it's our common interest to secure networks and information systems, to fight ever-growing cybercrime and to set out an EU external cybersecurity policy. But it's not just about large-scale cooperation. Cybersecurity is also about ensuring ordinary computer users are web-wise, with simple tips like choosing a safe password, storing information safely, and thinking before acting online. We have been collaborating with the US to develop those tips, and now this first European Cybersecurity Month is a great way to present those issues to the general public in fun, engaging ways. An ambitious way to raise awareness, to get stakeholders involved and to let people and businesses know how they can stay safe and secure in a variety of online settings. Over the month, 8 European countries will see many great events, from conferences and workshops in Portugal, Romania and Spain, to media and social media campaigns in Norway and Slovenia, to roundtables in the Czech Republic, to competitions and quizzes in Luxembourg, to roadshows in the UK, to name just a few. And for maximum impact, each country is building on their own existing activities and experience. I'm delighted that the EU's Network and Information Security Agency, ENISA, is supporting these events. Their guidance, expertise and promotional material will ensure we get the message out there and ensure it sticks. So to all of you involved in any way in European Cybersecurity Month, thank you. We need your help, we need your support and continuing interest now and in the future. Change needs to start now, eventually becoming part of wider international efforts. Helping citizens make the most out of the online world is a serious business. Well done to all of you for your work doing so, and I wish you a very successful European Cyber Security Month.